If your legs feel heavier with every step, if getting out of a chair feels harder than it used to, you're not alone. Millions of older adults face this silent decline each morning, not because of age alone, but because of what's missing from their meals. But here's the good news. In just 12 hours, seniors who eat these foods report walking with more strength, more confidence, and far less pain. You can start rebuilding leg power naturally without pills or physical therapy marathons. In this video, I'll reveal 8 science-backed foods that help restore strength, boost circulation, and reduce inflammation, including one drink that works faster than most medications. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end, because number 2 is a complete game-changer that 90% of people overlook, even though it's supported by Harvard-level science. Let's start with something rich, creamy, and secretly powerful. But for seniors struggling with tight calves, early morning leg cramps, or stiff steps, this humble fruit could be a game-changer. You see, avocados are packed with potassium and magnesium, 2 muscle-loving minerals that help your legs contract and relax the way they're supposed to. And when you're over 60, even a mild deficiency can lead to spasms, fatigue, or that strange feeling of instability when you walk. And there's more. Those healthy, monounsaturated fats don't just lower inflammation. They help your joints move more smoothly, giving you back flexibility where stiffness used to live. This isn't hype. It's nutrient therapy. Delicious, natural, and fast-acting. So tomorrow morning, before the aches kick in, try adding just 1 slice to your plate. It might surprise you, but one of the best ways to wake up stronger is actually decided by what you eat before bed. Enter cottage cheese, a simple, underrated food that works while you sleep. What makes it so effective? It's packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting fuel that steadily feeds your muscles through the night, preventing the silent muscle breakdown that happens while your body rests. For adults over 60, this is crucial. Your body repairs itself while you sleep, and without enough protein, you lose strength instead of gaining it. But when you pair just half a cup of cottage cheese with a few berries or sliced banana before bed, something powerful happens. Studies show a significant boost in muscle regeneration by morning, along with less soreness and better balance when you stand. It's not just a bedtime snack, it's overnight leg therapy disguised as dessert. It's not just juice, it's fast-acting leg relief. If your legs feel sore after a walk, or stiff when you wake up, this one simple drink might change everything. And do it in under 12 hours. That's not theory, it's science. Clinical studies show that older adults who drank just 6 to 8 ounces of tart cherry juice daily reported less pain, more leg strength, and better mobility, often within a single day. And timing matters. Drink it before bed to reduce overnight stiffness or after walking to speed up recovery. Either way, this juice helps get oxygen-rich blood where your legs need it most, fast. But don't grab just any bottle off the shelf. You want 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice, not cocktails, not blends. Because when taken right, this one drink acts like a recovery signal for your legs. More comfort, better sleep, and a whole lot less pain when your feet hit the floor. Now, what if your breakfast could do the same thing? Simple, portable, powerful. Hard-boiled eggs might look ordinary, but they pack a punch when it comes to rebuilding leg strength from the inside out. Each egg is loaded with leucine, a key amino acid that flips the switch on muscle regeneration, especially after age 60, when your body becomes less efficient at holding on to strength. Add in vitamin D for better muscle coordination and choline to support nerve function. And what you've got is a complete recovery formula in one shell. They're easy to prepare, easy to digest, And when you pair one egg with greens like spinach or Swiss chard, you unlock even greater benefits by combining muscle support with blood flow enhancement. Start your morning with just one egg, and you're already giving your legs the nutrients they need to stay strong, stable, and energized. And speaking of blood flow, this next veggie takes it even further. Beets don't just color your plate, they supercharge your legs. When you consume beets, your body converts their natural nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that literally opens up your arteries and increases blood flow to your muscles. That means more oxygen, more nutrients, and faster recovery for tired, stiff legs. In one study, seniors who drank beet juice just 30 minutes before walking saw a 19% increase in walking speed in a single day. Not after a month, not after a workout plan. Just one drink, one day. And the benefits go beyond speed. Better circulation means less heaviness, less pain, and more freedom in your stride, especially when climbing stairs or getting out of a chair. Want to try it? Sip 100% pure beet juice. No sugar, no blends. Ideally in the morning, or right before physical activity. But what if you want something warm and comforting that quietly rebuilds muscle overnight? Then it's time to turn to a leafy green that doesn't get enough credit: cooked Swiss chard. It may look humble on your plate, but Swiss chard actually contains more magnesium than spinach. And that matters, especially for aging muscles. Magnesium is the key to steady nerve signals, smoother contractions, and less nighttime twitching that disrupts your rest and recovery. Just 1/2 cup of cooked Swiss chard, added to lunch or dinner, can begin restoring magnesium levels and calming your nervous system. Even better, when you cook it with lemon or garlic, the acidity helps unlock more of its minerals, so your body absorbs every bit of the benefit. Soft, warm, and packed with nutrients, this is more than a vegetable. It's a gentle reset for tired muscles. And next, we're moving into something even richer. A liquid comfort food that's been shown to rebuild joints and muscle tissue from the inside out. Chicken bone broth isn't just soup. It's liquid collagen, packed with the exact amino acids your body needs to rebuild joints, connective tissue, and tired muscle fibers. After any kind of movement, even a short walk, your muscles enter recovery mode. That's when bone broth shines. Think of it as fuel for your joints, ready to go, exactly when your body needs it. In fact, studies show that regular bone broth use can improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and even enhance muscle strength within days. Bone broth doesn't just help you feel better, it helps you move better. It's comfort, recovery, and nourishment, all in one cup. And now, the #1 most overlooked superfood for leg strength. It's small, it's powerful, and it might already be in your kitchen. And finally, the most overlooked superfood for leg strength, and it's probably hiding in plain sight. Tiny, soft, and almost flavorless, hemp seeds might not look like much, but inside, they're loaded with all 9 essential amino acids, plus anti-inflammatory omega-3s that your legs absolutely love. Unlike most plant-based foods, hemp seeds are a complete protein, which means they help your muscles repair and rebuild. Especially important if you're not eating a lot of animal protein. But it doesn't stop there. These seeds also support joint stability, helping reduce that wobbly, unsteady feeling that can creep in after 60. The best part? You only need 3 tablespoons. That's enough to turn your breakfast into a full-body recovery tool. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, stir into yogurt, or even blend them into a smoothie. They disappear into the dish, but their impact is anything but invisible. Within hours, you may notice your legs feeling lighter, stronger, and more coordinated. No pills, no pain. Just one quiet seed doing big things behind the scenes. You'll be amazed at how quickly your legs feel stronger and steadier, one spoonful at a time. Let's quickly recap. You've just discovered 8 powerful foods, and each one supports your legs in a different way. Some boost circulation, others repair muscle fibers, a few reduce inflammation, and all of them work together to restore the energy and strength you need to move with confidence again. And here's the truth. Stronger legs don't start at the gym. They start in your kitchen, with one small change, one simple food, and one step toward feeling like yourself again. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Because freedom to move shouldn't fade with age.